So today we'll discuss for the JMeter tool, right? So once everyone is downloaded, so once you can download the tool, you are able to see the Apache JMeter like this. So right now is the current version will be 5.5.5, I think. So already previous I downloaded, so that is why it is a Apache JMeter 5.4.3. So just you can unzip only. It is installation point of view, no need to click on installation. So just unzip and after that click on this and click on this, and after that you need to go to the beans. In the bean, we need to see the Apache JMeter batch file. You can open, means you can open that file. And same to the in your system, it will be Java must will be need. How to you can check for the your system is Java there, not there? How can check means go to the command prompt and enter the Java. And it will come like this, means in your system Java will be there. Otherwise you are getting for the like Java is unrecognized file you getting, means in your system Java is not there. So means you need to install for the Java software. Okay, got it everyone? So now we need to open for the we need to open for the JMeter, means you can open for the like JMeter file will be there. This is the Windows batch file. You can click on that. Automatically the UI also it will open. This is the JMeter file. Okay. Once we can open the JMeter file, it is like JMeter tool. It will look like this. And after that, we want to record the script, means in the test plan we need for the some thread group and test plan and recording controller. This all things we need. So you can manually also we can add. See, you can click on this add and thread group. You can click on this. It will you can add for the thread group also. So, but okay, we'll do manually that later. Okay, now I will just creating for the template. This is the template. You can click on template, and after that, here it is you need to click on this. Here you need to select for the recording, and after that click on create button. You need to select for the recording. After that, click on create button. And after that, this is the example.com I'm removing, and after that create. Automatically the template will be generated. See, you can observe in the test plan, we are able to sing for the thread group. In the thread group recording controller, we are able to sing, and view results tree, nothing but we want to analyze the results, means you need to use for the view results tree. And HTTPS test script recorder is disabled, you need to enable. So now you can observe, see thread group nothing but is a controller. So number of threads means number of users, ramp up how much time you are giving for the one user. I'm giving for only 1 second. And how many times you want iteration, loop count, 1 or 2, 5 counts. Otherwise you want to specify the duration, like how much duration you want to execute the test, means you can click on this, and you need to give for the 5 minutes, means like 300 seconds. You need to give for the 300 seconds here. So now these are all prerequisites. Now you need to record the script, means you can click for the HTTP test script recorder, and here you need to select for the where you want to record the script. In the test plan thread group recording controller, I want to record, because you can observe in the test plan thread group, in the thread group recording control I want to record. So that is why I'm selecting for the this test plan thread group and recording controller. So what will happen like this, you can click on start recording. It will be not able to record the how we are recording for the in load runner, right? Same way it will not invoke, because so this will be some communication will be need from the browser to end tool. So that is why you need to set some the browser settings, like you need to set for the browser settings. I'm opening for the Internet Explorer. Okay, in that Internet Explorer you can go to the here and select for the internet options. So for here, you need to click on content. In the content, we have the certificate also. So you can actually, once you can click on certificate, you are able to see this personal, but we want keep for the our certificate in root trusted root certificate. Okay. So first you need to remove, already this certificate will be there, right? You can remove and yes. Yes, see, I removed the certificate. Now I want to import the certificate, means you can click on this import. So before that, right? See, for example, you can start recording, means what will happen means this, you can go to the bin. You are able to see the Apache root CA certificate. See, it is actually today only it is updated. So every 1 week will be this certificate will be expired. So what you can do, once you can start recording, automatically it will update it. You can observe root certificate temporary root created and click on OK, means it will be recording open. And now you can go to the folder. You are able to see the what time it is updated. In the bin, see, now you can observe which date, which time it is updated. 9:51 means today only I updated. So now we need to import this folder. So what we can do, we can go to the Internet Explorer and now we can click on import and click on next and here browse, and you need to select for the Apache JMeter root CA certificate. Click on this and click on open, and after that next and click on next and click on finish and click on S. See, the import was successfully completed. Now you can observe here that the root CA certificate is imported. Imported or not?
Yes.
If you want to see this particular certificate, means you can see. Okay, this root certificate expired. Okay, I'm deleting. Okay, and close this and go to the bin folder. Just I will delete this, automatically it will create it again. See, now it is deleted, right? We can click on start recording. It will automatically create it and stopping. Just go to the bin folder and come to the again open bin folder. Apache root CA certificate. It is generated, right? I think now we'll go to the Internet Explorer in the certificates and here trusted certificate. Click on import and click on next and find next. Actually for this is the download is coming, right? But our will be documents. In that documents Apache JMeter 5.3 and here bins, and here you need to select for this root CA certificate. See, this is the our current one. Click on this and next and next finish and yes, see it is imported successful. Now you can observe expire date of which date it is showing 11th. 11th means it's a 1 week. Actually, this is the only 1 week only it is access. After that, again, you need to import for the certificate. If you're not imported, you are unable to record the script. So this is the prerequisite. Okay, everyone must will do and click on OK. So we are done this one. Again, we need to do for the proxy settings. So proxy settings also we need to communicate from this JMeter tool and browser, means we need to set some the proxy settings. Now we need to go to the IE, okay, or any one of this and click on the settings. in the settings, we need to enter for the proxy. And after that, it's a automatic is there. You can uncheck this, and we need to give for the manually. You can just click on and check. See here port number what you are giving, and the same port number also you need to give here. Then only it is communicated for this browser. See, I said, and you can save it. And this is the we are need to give for the HTTP and localhost. You need to give. I'm copying for the chart window. Keep it. Okay. Okay. Everyone copy and save it, and I'm saved. See, you can close. Now you can open. Close browser. Okay. See, now you can open any URL. You are unable to open because we are set the proxy. See, you can click on. See, no internet connection. So what will happen is which URL you need to open in that tool, right? You need to record that one. See, now we need to start recording now. How to start recording means this is the start recording button. Before start recording, we done for the two prerequisites. What are they?
Settings and
Proxy settings.
And certificate, root certificate.
Yes, very good. So now when you start recording this is the start recording button. Click on this and click on OK. Now you need to give for the this is the transaction name. So now how to we can give this? Okay, for example, we can do for the that application, right? What is that? Which application URL we have? Okay, I'm taking for this Store application. Okay, Store application I'm taking. So now you need to open the browser. Which browser we are actually you used? Chrome, right? You can open that browser. Okay. Now you need to give for the name of the transaction name. LUN launch URL underscore T01 I give it. Now what you can do? This is be automatically not open. So you need to open for the browser. So Control V URL and click on this. See, it's open or not. See, launch is completed. After launch, what we can do? Login. P02 and click on sign in. And we need to give for the details. What is that? J2W, right?
Yes.
Click on login is completed. Okay. Okay. And after that, what we are doing? Click on any pet. 0, 4 or 3. And now you can click on any one of these dots. And so after that, so you can select the product also you can do means you can click on this. And okay, we'll do later. Now I'm stopping for the sign out. So just your understanding point of view, we'll do for the small script first. Okay, T05 sign out. See, so sign out is completed. You went to home page, right? You need to stop recording means you can click on this stop recording button. So you need to go to that already there, right? Tool. You can go there and you are able to see the your code in here. See, you are able to recording or not, you need to check. See, launch is came and login and click on pet and everything is came. So means you are able to record it there, right? So you can stop the recording. Just stop recording. See, recording stop it. Now what we can do, right? In load runner, how we get for the some junk data, right? Same way, what are the browsers, what are the you are open in our system, everything will be recorded here. So that is why what we can do is we need to remove for the other URLs. See, you can click on this and you can click on this. See, this is our URL www.google, right? So this is ours. No, right? Everyone able to see, right? See, this is not ours, so I am deleted. And after that, you can select this and Okay, this is also not our okay, that is authorization, right? Okay, that is skip this launch and click on this. You can see this is the pest store. Yes or no? That is not pest store, right?
No, no, sir.
No, right? So means you need to
No.
remove for this request also. For here, we don't have that uncheck and we can again regenerate option. We don't have here. So that is a very bad thing for here. Okay. Then again, you can click on this and this is ours. No, right?
No.
We can remove. And again, launch. This is ours. Yes or no? No, right?
No. No.
And this is Google.
No.
This is also not ours. And we can we'll remove these two and this two also not ours. So just you can remove. And after that, so launch URL. So this is the single client google.com. This is ours. No, right?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And again, you can check this. This is ours. Single google.com. This is ours. No, right? Google. This is the Google. This is the Google. And single google.com and Google and Google. You're able to see, right? Everyone, Google. See, this is the Google. This is the Google and signify google.com. See, this is also Microsoft. This is not ours. And this is the google.com. And this is the Google and the Google Maps and play.google.com and Google. You can observe this jpestore.triclients.com. This is ours or not?
Yes.
So means launch only. This is the URL we find. Remaining, this all will be junk data. You can remove this. So we'll point this launch one, and we have one more launch request will be there. You can check this. This is ours. No, right? So google.com. So I'm removing. Now I find for the launch. This is the one, and this is also not ours. So remove when you are removing, right? Carefully you can remove that. Otherwise, it will be entire code will be deleted. See, this is the google.com. So I'm removing. And see, this is the ours only, JP Pest Store. You can observe. And after that, we have one more launch also there. So you can this content. This is ours. No, right?
No.
Somewhat will be manual effort will be more here. See, this is the Outlook. This is not ours. This is so this login also not ours. So that is why when you are recording, right, don't open any single other like notepads or anything. Don't open. In my system will be many things will open, right? That is why it is generating for the many junk data. See, this is the login optimization google.com. This is not. See, this is the login. Which one? See, you can observe JPEG store. This is ours, but this is not ours. You can remove that above one. And you can check this. This is not ours. And Google Maps. Only we find for the T0 to 109 is ours. You can remove remaining. So again, we have the one more login. You can check this. This is the also JP Page Store. Okay, login also. Again, you can check this google.com, Google, YouTube, Google. See, this is ours again. Can remove for the above points. Okay, and see, this is also not ours. YouTube. This is JPP store. This is JPP store, and this is the Google again. So manual of it will be very more here need. See, this is the launch. This is not ours. Remove. And like Google. So scripting is will be some difficult challenge for the compared to load runner. So that is why maximum companies using for the load runner only. But we know for the this all also. See, this is outlook, not this one. Can remove this and click on this. And so this is the Google Maps. So not this. To find this also is very big difficult for us. See, this is the google.com. See, but when you are removing, right, carefully can remove. Otherwise, if your request is deleted, your script will be never pass. See, this is the Microsoft.com. Mail google.com. This is not ours. Google Apps. This is ours. You can observe 136 hours. So these two you can remove. Okay, and 138. This is ours.
No.
This is no, right? You can remove this too. So you guys, when you recording, right, don't open for the all browsers. See, sign out also. This is Google Apps. This is Better Store. See, by seeing for the by seeing this server name or IP or URL only, I am identify for the this is our URL, right? Everyone understand, right? See, this is
Yes.
the JP store, and you can observe this is the Outlook, not ours, and 149 not ours, and this is the Google. This is Microsoft, and this is the Google. This is the Google, and this is the Google, and this is the Google. Only this is ours, and after that all will be not up to there, right? You can remove. Okay, and up to this is completed. Right? Finally, we have sign out again will be there. You can check this also. Not ours, not ours. You can remove for enter this. See, now we are done for the transactions. Say login and launch also we are completed now. See, launch, login you have the two, right? You can keep transactions also in this transaction only. You can keep means you can select this and keep it here. Okay, the drag and drop option will be there. You can do for the drag and drop. Okay, and now I drag and drop for the login. Means all transactions will be same place, login is there. So in this request we don't have anything, right? Because I dragged for this request all requests. This is the launch, this is the login. Click on pet and sign out. So now all transactions we are able to see. Generate as a parent, you need to click on this, generate as a parent. Then you are able to see the transaction response properly. See now this. So you need to do for the first thing this, and now you need to just execute or understanding for this is the save button. You can click on save. It will ask for the .jmx. It will save. What is the extension of JMeter file means .jmx. It will save as a .jmx. You need to give for the store and 4 August 2022 I give it script name, and it is saving for the somewhere. If you want for the anywhere you means you can save for the your place. If you want where you want to create new folder, or you want for the any other OneDrive, otherwise you want to desktop or documents means you can create a folder also. Already a new folder I'm creating for the JMeter scripts. Then what will happen means all scripts will be saved for this location. You can open and you can save this. Now save is completed, right? Just will execute now. So this is the execute button. Start means this is the replay button. So where we can see the results means you can see the results here. Click on this start button. So it is asking for the appending existing file. It is asking. So you can click on the anything is fine. Okay. So you can observe we are getting for the, so I think how many times we are executed. Go to the thread group 1111 only, right? View results tree, and now I think this we can remove. Disable this. If you want every time will be like this, it will come request. So if you want next time again executing means we need to clear this. You have the option will be there. Clear. This is the clear all. You can click on clear. See, this is the clear 1 minute. So now we can again execute. This is the replay button. Just click on replay and click on. See, now you are able to see launch is done and login, and after that we got for the click on flight and sign out. So if you are getting for the green color means you are successfully passed. So now you can observe response data means this is the response data. So you are getting for the response data. See, you can click on this and this is the response data. We are unable to, means you are getting for the green color means you are able to pass the this one. Now what we can do, just I executed one time your understanding part. Now what we can do, we need to find the any correlation values or any values will be there. I can remove this also, no need this. Okay, this is also not ours. Okay, now we can observe one by one in the recording controller only. We are able to seeing for the see, now we need to find the if any dynamic values will be there, any correlation values will be there. Can click on launch, and for here some name value is equal. We are able to see the okay, this is the dynamic value. For this, I am unable to see the any value. And again, go to the next transaction, click on this. and can expand this and click on this. Any value will be there. Only name sign off is there, but no value will be there. Again, click on this and you can see. Now you can see this here. Username, password will be there. Username, password means what we can do? Parameter.
Parameterization.
So you can observe here some dot source space dash FB means we can do for the correlation these two. And after that you can observe again we have anything. Okay, here we don't have anything. And click on this and click on pet and you can observe so category ID also you can do for the correlation. And sign off you can check anything will be there, nothing will be there. So for this we need to do for the correlation and parameterization. So we will identify the in login is the correlation value, right? See, this is the correlation value. So now you can do for the correlation for the source page means how to you can do means same way you can copy this and already you executed, right? You can go to the view results tree and you can search window will be there. This is the search window. You can copy and paste it and click on search. Something I am copied. See, now you can click on search. It will be here some blue color displayed, right? Means you need to write the function above this. Means it is showing for the login, right? You need to write for the launch page. You need to write for the function. So now we need to find the what we need to find. We need to find for the like where it is the our response data, right? We need to find the boundaries, like which boundary we want to take for the how to we can take boundary means which value we are doing. You can go there here and we are observe here, right? Source page, right? Now you can go to the view results tree. Here you can search for the first in login, right? You can click on source page. See, now you are able to see the source page, right? See, this is the you can observe source page. I will remove this, then it will I think source page. See, this is the source page. Now we can what we can do, we can copy the name is equal up to end of this dynamic value where it is ending up to there, right? You can just copy and keep it in notepad. Keep it in notepad and now go to the tool. And now where we need to write the function login above we need to write. So login is here means you need to keep for the above the here launch place you need to keep for the that one. So how to you can write means you can click on where you want write, click on write and add. Here we have the post processor will be there. Post processor nothing but it's a correlation. Pre-processor nothing but it's a parameterization. Now correlation nothing but post processor. We have the different type of parameter correlations will be there. Boundary extractor, regular expression. So I'm selecting now boundary extractor. Just select that. Automatically it will came this. If you want change for this value name, source page means you can give for the source page underscore COR correlation we are doing, right? So you can give for that name. And now we need to give for the pass the name of the variable. So what is the name? This one source page, right? Can give it as a Control-C, and this is the we can give only source page, and this is the name of the variable source page. Here we need to copy the left boundary, right boundary. You can go to this, and this is the dynamic value. Up to this is the dynamic value. Now you can take for the this the left text is the